Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting the watch face display time ahead of the real time on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Setting your watch face a few minutes ahead of the real time can be a helpful hack if you are prone to being late. Doing this will only change the time on the watch's face. The time in settings and all notifications and alarms will still be at the correct time. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap clock. Scroll down and tap +0min. You can then use the digital crown to increase the amount of minutes ahead you would like the watch screen to be. Tap the tick once you have chosen. Your watch screen will now display the time however many minutes ahead you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.